The Ralph loop was a bit of a trending topic a while back. It's pretty much running a LLM in a while loop until it finishes all of your tasks. Now you give the instruction in the prompt empty, and then you have a list of tasks for the LLM to execute, and then it knocks it out one after the other. But Agentic IDEs like Antigravity does this natively. You don't even need to write that one line of code and break down your task. All you need to do is to give the instruction, and Antigravity takes that, breaks down into a list of tasks, and executes it for you. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to find the inefficient queries in BigQuery using Antigravity's Agent Manager. Behind the scene, it uses BigQuery server. And to do this, you would expect it's going to be a little bit of a complicated task, but unfortunately is just one prompt away. I'm just going to paste my prompt, which pretty much says, go find 4 inefficient queries from my BigQuery environment. And for any of the inefficiency it finds, find a better way to optimize it. Use the dry run to actually find what is the optimized query's impact. And I'm also giving instructions to make this demo go easy by asking it to give me a web page with the optimizations with the easy copy to clipboard. Now, let me give this task to Antigravity. You would see how it's going to use the MCP server, connect to BigQuery instance, and then use the information schema views that we have to go find the inefficient queries. We already have observability built into BigQuery, but if you can ask and be answered, why click around the different UX? Let's just see what Antigravity does now. As you can see, it is going to the information schema, and then it knows how to find those inefficient queries I've executed, and it's bringing all the data back for its analysis. And now it's also going to do a dry run for the optimized queries so that we can really understand the benefits with the optimizations. So here we have it, the final HTML page, the Antigravity generated with all the optimizations for the top 4 inefficient queries in my BigQuery project. It has provided me the original SQL, the suggested optimization, along with the dry run validation to make sure its suggestions are valid. Now there is a job ID, and as you can clearly see, I could have done way better in my SQL by just providing the right columns I need. Let me copy this job ID, go to the Jobs Explorer, and I can paste this job ID to actually further investigate. Here is the job, and here is the details that we have for that particular job. You can use the existing observability tools we have built. You can use the execution graph to further analyze the SQL, and you can go validate it yourself. Now, Antigravity makes it super easy for you to leverage all the observability data that we track inside the information schema along with the BigQuery MCP server. You should definitely give it a shot. Check out the Antigravity integration we have for BigQuery.